My name is Chandrasekhar Limaye. I am Director of Supertech Instrumentation Services India Private Limited. Supertech is a leading automation solutions provider in process industries such as specialty chemicals, pharmaceuticals, food and beverage. Supertech is a master alliance partner with Schneider Electric. We are also alliance partner with Schneider Electric for intelligent MCC, critical power and Wonderware system platform. Today there are a large number of system integrators in the market and customers find it very difficult to find a trusted one. So we were looking for a solution with which we can differentiate our products and services from the rest. We came across Schneider Electric Exchange, which is an innovative platform on which we can buy and sell digital solutions from Schneider Electric and partners such as system integrators and technology partners. Schneider Electric Exchange provides increased visibility to list our products on a global platform so that it can be seen by anyone. So we listed some of our products and services on the exchange. While executing automation projects with EcoStruxure Hybrid DCS, we have developed several templates for typical applications in batch processes. And these templates can also be useful to other system integrators who want to develop similar applications. We have made them available on the exchange. So to conclude, Schneider Electric Exchange can provide a service provider increased business outreach and visibility. So join Schneider Electric Exchange.